Alright, in this video I'm going to review how to calculate different portions of your series circuits. So to review some stuff that you should highlight in your worksheet, in a series circuit, current follows only one path from positive end of a battery towards the negative end. And the total resistance, I'm going to use a different color, the total resistance is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. And the amount of energy used by the series circuits must equal the energy supplied by the battery. So energy is always conserved. So let's start with the first problem. What is the total voltage across the bulbs? So here I only see 6V and no other voltages. So that's my total, 6V. If there was two of those, then I would add those two. That's all you have to do for totals. So this is 6V. What is the total resistance? So to get the total resistance, remember it's the sum of all the resistances. So resistance is in ohms. So I see that I have 1 ohm and 1 ohm. So 1 ohm plus 1 ohm, I have 2 ohms. Okay. Lastly, what is the current in the circuit? So in order to calculate current, I equals V over R. Voltage is 6 and resistance is 2. So my current is 3 amps. Okay, now D asks, what is the voltage drop across each light bulb? Remember, the voltage drop is calculated by multiplying current in the circuit by the resistance of a particular resistor, V equals IR. So for example, I'm going to work with the first light bulb. My current was 3 amps, so that's what I'm going to put here, 3. My resistance of the first light bulb is 1. So that is 3 volts. Now, if I do that with this one, my current is still 3. Remember, in series, current stays the same. And my ohm is 1, so it's still 3. Okay, if you notice, my voltage drops equal my voltage in the battery, and that should always be the case. Okay, because as you add more light bulbs, you create more voltage drop, but still keeping those values the same. And lastly, the last question asks, draw the path of the current on the diagram. So if I were to draw it, remember it's from positive to negative. And that is how you work out the rest of the problems. And then the very back page goes over the power formula. And this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll do this one with you, the first one. What is the total voltage of the circuit? Remember, total voltage is just adding the voltages together. So I have 1.5 plus another 1.5. That's 3, 1.5 plus 1.5. That is 3 volts. What is the current? Okay, so I equals V over R. My voltage was 3V and my resistance is in ohms, is 3 ohms. So my current is 1 amp. So what is the power? Power is equal to current times voltage. So the current was 1 amp, my voltage was 3, so my power is 3 watts. Oops, 3 watts. Alright, and that is it. Make sure you finish the entire worksheet and make sure you show all your work.